So, hello.
How are you?
Good. Just took a quick shower.
Okay. So you're welcome to class today.
You know where are we where are we now?
You're still in the Philippines, right?
Yeah. We're still long here
O-
until June.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay. Now, how was did you do any test on the division yet? Have you done the tests?
What did you say?
Have you done the test on division of numbers?
Um,
Have you done
just
any test? Yeah.
what do you mean, the math test
Yes,
in the
math test.
BKU?
Math test. Have you done it?
Kain na daw kayo doon.
Sorry, someone just spoke.
Okay. So,
My grandfather just suddenly spoke.
okay. That's it. All right. Today we want to look at measurements, okay?
Wait for a while. I'll close the door.
All right. You ready now?
Yeah.
Okay. Today we want to talk about
Sorry, someone speaking. Sorry, but
okay, no problem. So today we want to talk about measurements, okay? Want to talk about
okay.
measurements. Have you measured anything before?
What?
What's the topic? What is this? What's
Measurement.
this? Measurements, yes. So, have you measured anything before?
I had measured anything. Yes.
Okay, what are the things you've measured before?
What?
What have you measured before?
I measured also my temperature. I also measured anything. I measured
You
I
said
measure how many I weigh. I also measure how much does the banana weigh.
wait,
And I also measure a lot of things.
wait. So you said you measured temperature, then you
Yeah, I
measured,
measure my temperature when I have a fever.
then you
When I have
measured your weight.
yeah,
Then what
I had
else? What?
many things.
Yes,
It's a
mention.
lot, etc. Just
Yeah.
work it is
No. We want to list 5 things you've measured. Okay, 5 things. Now this is 2. So remain 3 to go. Yes. What else have you measured? Yes. What have you measured again? Apart from temperature, apart from your weight, what have you measured?
I measured um measure how I measured how measure a lot. I measured how much does the sugar weigh.
Okay, it's still about weight. Yes, it's still about weight. So what else?
Measure how does the sugar weigh.
Yeah, that is still talking about weight, okay?
Yeah.
So we have just mentioned 1 and 2. Now remain 3, 4,
Measure
5.
the ruler.
3.
Measure the ruler.
Okay, you measured a ruler. Maybe you want to say you measured length, right?
I don't know.
Okay, do you know what length is?
Don't know.
Okay, from your hand, do you know how long your hand is?
I don't know.
Okay, that is a length, okay? Length means
Okay, fine.
how long something is, okay?
Fine.
So can you give me some things we can measure the length?
Can you speak a bit louder?
Yes.
Cannot hear you.
Can
A
you give,
bit.
yeah, can you give me some objects that we can measure the length of those objects, like your arm? You can measure the length of your arm. You can measure the
I
length.
measured. Oh, I also measured my arm, my feet,
Yes, your
and
feet,
also I measure.
table.
Okay, put there. I measure my feet. I measure my arms. I measure the ruler.
Okay, ruler. You can measure how long a ruler is. Okay. Now, what else? Apart from temperature,
Fine.
weight, and length, apart from temperature, weight, and length, what else? Number 4 and 5, yes? Do you measure volume?
What do you mean volume?
Maybe volume of milk.
I don't know that. Volume.
Okay. What about volume of water?
Don't think so.
Maybe 5 liters, 10 liters, 50 liters of water. We can measure it, okay?
Okay, man. Normally, when you buy a drinks,
Yes.
it shows there how much
How much
ml,
drink? It
how
says.
much ml liters.
Very good, very
Shows
good.
there.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. So volume, it shows how much milliliters, ml, right?
Fine.
Okay, good. So we are saying some things here now. We've mentioned, okay, do you measure time?
Most of the. What do you mean measure? Look at the time.
Yes, to check how many minutes something takes. Or how many
Yeah.
seconds, yeah.
Measure. Yes, we measured about that already.
Okay, so time, we can measure time. Okay, do you measure money? To know how
Yeah.
much? How much money?
No, I don't think so. Have measured.
Okay. Okay. So now we've mentioned some things that we can measure, okay? Is that clear?
Fine.
Okay. Items we measure and their units, okay? Items we measure and their units. So number 1, we can say we measure length, we measure height, okay? We can measure distance,
Yeah, fine.
okay? So, units now. Units are, we can tell maybe in meters, okay?
Fine.
In millimeters, in centimeters, in kilometers,
I mean,
okay?
okay, fine.
Yes, we can measure in meters, in millimeters, in centimeters, and in kilometers, okay? Now we can go ahead and say 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeters, okay? 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. So if
Okay,
10, if
fine,
10,
fine.
then,
May I go to the toilet for a while?
okay, please do. Please do.
Sit down now. Miggy, sit down.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm back.
All right. So let's continue, okay? So I said 10 millimeter gives us 1 centimeters, okay?
Fine.
Have you seen a ruler before?
Ruler daw. Do you need a ruler?
Do you have a ruler?
Yeah, I do.
Why don't you?
Kailangan, meron ba tayo?
Okay. Okay, just look at this. Can you see this image?
Fine.
Now, look at this. So this is measured in centimeters, okay?
Fine.
This is centimeters, cm. Now, 10 millimeters equal to 1 cm. This is 1 cm, okay?
Fine.
And between here and the end is 10 mm. Is that clear?
Fine.
There is another 10 mm here, okay?
Fine.
What is 10 plus 10?
10 plus 10 is 20.
Good. So that
Fine.
means 2 centimeters equal to 20 millimeters. Okay?
Fine.
Now, so 20 millimeters equal to 2 centimeters. And 30 millimeters equal to 3 centimeters. Is that clear?
Fine.
So 60 millimeters will be how many centimeters?
16. 18.
Wait,
16 liters.
wait, wait. I'm talking about millimeter and
Nothing.
centimeters. Millimeter, 10 gives us 1, 20 gives us 2, 30 gives us 3, and 60 will give us what?
What?
Listen again.
Fine.
10 gives us 1, 20 gives us 2, 30 gives us 3, 60 will give us what?
Huh?
Listen again. 10 gives us 1, 20 is 2, 30 leads to 3, and 60 will lead to what?
4.
Wait. 10 millimeters is 1 centimeters. 20 millimeters is 2 centimeters. 30 millimeters is 3 centimeters. 60 millimeters will be what centimeters?
4.
It can be 4. It will be
See,
C.
that's 4 cm.
6 cm. Because it's 60. Okay.
Fine.
When it's 10, it's 1. When it's 20, it's 2. When it's 30, it's 3. And when it's 60, it's 6. Okay, what about this? 80 millimeters is how many centimeters?
That's don't know.
Okay, wait a minute. Just say 10. You can see 1 here, that's 1. You can see 2 here, that's 2. You can see 3, that's 3. You can see 6, that's 6. You can see 8, that'll be what? Okay,
7 cm.
wait. When you see 1, it's 1. When you see 2,
Fine.
it's 2. When you see 3, it's 3. When you see 6, it's 6. When you see 8, it will be what?
Fine. What?
Okay, listen again. When you see 1,
8 cm.
yeah, it's cm, okay? Now, what about 90 centimeters? 90 millimeters.
What?
90 millimeters
9
equals
centimeters.
9
9 centimeters.
9
9
centimeters.
cm.
What about 40 millimeters?
4 liters.
No, 4 cm.
4 cm.
What about 50 millimeters? 50 millimeters. 50 millimeters.
5 cm.
5 cm. That's correct. Now, let us go ahead and look into more because you have to get these, okay?
1.
What about 100 millimeters?
One cm.
No.
I mean, 10 cm.
Good. What about 110 millimeters?
Um, 20 milliliter. 20 liters.
Look at you. I said
So
one,
sorry, no.
that's 11 cm,
It said
okay?
no.
Okay.
It said no. There's
Oh,
no rule.
okay.
Next time.
Next meeting, we buy ruler.
11 cm, okay?
Fine.
Now, what about 130 millimeters?
12.
No. 130.
20 cm.
No. Look at it. 8 leads us to 80 gives us 8. 90 gives us 9. 40 gives us
9.
4. 50 gives us 5. 100 gives us 10. 110 gives us 11. You can see the 11 in them, right? Can you see the
Fine.
11?
Yeah.
So what do you think the next one should be?
12.
Did you see any 12 here?
Oh.
So what should be the answer? You can see 10. You can
13
see 10.
cm.
Yeah, 13 cm. What about 150 millimeters?
15 cm.
Okay, what about 190 millimeters?
90 cm.
Did you say 90 or 19?
I said 19, not 90.
Okay, what about 200 millimeters?
Twenty cm.
Good. What about 250 millimeters?
50 cm.
No, 25. What about
What is cm?
280 millimeters? Yes, you can see 25, you can see 25.
30.
Wait, you can see 25, you can see 25. Now, what did you see here?
28
28 centimeters.
cm.
So what about 290 millimeters?
39 cm.
What about 300 millimeters?
30 cm.
Okay, if 300 millimeters is 30 cm, what about 400 millimeters?
40.
40 cm. What about 600 millimeters?
60 cm.
What about 900 millimeters?
90 milliliters. I mean 90 cm.
Okay, what about 1,000 millimeters?
1000.
Yeah,
100 cm.
100 cm, and that is 1 meters, okay? Is that clear?
Fine. Fine.
100 cm equal to 1 meters, okay?
Mhm.
All right. Is that clear?
Fine.
Okay, now that we have learned the conversion between millimeter and centimeter, let us go between centimeters and meters, okay?
Fine.
How many millimeters make 1 centimeter? How many millimeters make 1 centimeter? 10 millimeters.
Fine. That's
Again,
1 cm.
10 millimeters make 1 centimeters. Let me hear you say,
Fine. Fine.
say it again, say it
Okay,
again.
fine.
Say it again. 10 millimeters make 1
10
centimeter.
milliliters. What did you say?
10 millimeters make 1 centimeters. Say it again.
10 milliliters makes 1 cm. I mean 1 centimeters.
Then 20 millimeters is 2
20
centimeters.
milliliters is makes 2 centimeter.
Then 100 millimeters equal to 10 centimeters.
100 milliliters makes 10 centimeter. And 110 and 1000 milliliters
Wait.
make oh
Yes, 1,000
and
millimeters
1000
make,
milliliters makes 1 meters.
no, make 1 meter, that's correct. Make 100 centimeter first, okay?
Fine.
And makes 1 meter. So we can now go and say, now I want you to read this.
1 meter.
No, no, 100 centimeter make 1 meter. Let me hear that.
Yeah, fine.
Read that again, let me hear it.
1 centimeters makes 1 meters.
100 centimeters make 1 meter.
100 centimeters makes 1 meters.
Okay, now let's move on. So we know that 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. Is that correct?
Fine.
So 100 cm equal to 1 meters. Okay, let's take a measurement. I'm going to bring an instrument to do that. Let's see. Conversion between meters to centimeters. From meters to centimeters. So let me see. 100 cm equal to 1 meters, okay?
Fine.
Now, can you see this measurement at the bottom here? Can you see this?
cm.
Cm. So how many cm is this? How many cm is this?
100.
100 cm. Then how many meters is that? How many meters is that?
100 cm.
How many meters? How many m? How many meters?
1 meters.
Very good. Let's go to the next one. Can you see this?
200.
200. So how many meters?
200 meters.
No,
200 meters.
no.
What?
2
It's
meters.
200 meters.
2 meters.
2 meters.
Yes, that's 200 centimeters, okay?
Fine.
Then let's go to the next one. Can you see this?
300 centimeters.
That's
And
how many
or
meters?
3 meters.
3 meters. So can you see the next one here?
400 centimeters or 4 meters.
400 centimeters or 4
That's
meters.
the one.
Is that clear?
Fine.
Now you can see this, right?
Yeah, fine.
So how many meters are in 500 centimeters? How many meters? How many meters are in 500 centimeters?
5 meters.
5 meters. How many meters are in 150 centimeters?
What?
How many meters are in 150 centimeters?
550.
No
600
way.
meters.
No way. This is it. This is 150. So how many meters are there?
Don't know.
Oh, this is 1.5.
1.5 meters.
Is that clear now?
Fine.
So how many meters are in 350 centimeters?
There are two, huh?
How many meters are in 350 centimeters?
There are 3.5 meters.
Good. 3.5 meters.
Fine.
Okay. Is that clear now? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Fine.
Yeah, so we can write it out and say 100 cm equal to what? 1 meters, okay? 200 cm equal to what? You're not talking. 300 cm equal to what? 400 cm equal to what?
4 meters.
500 cm equal to what?
5 meters.
5 meters. And if we go ahead and pick the halfway, then we can say 150 cm equal to what?
1.5 meters.
So 350 cm equal to what?
3.5 meters.
380
What
cm.
about liters?
Wait, that's not for distance. We are talking
Okay,
about distance.
3.8 meters.
3.8 meters, okay? Now, what about 400 centimeters? Okay, we've said that before. Let's jump to another one. Let's say 420 centimeters. That'll be what?
4.2 meters.
4.2 meters. What about 524 centimeters? Yes? Are you thinking?
Yeah, but don't know.
You know, 5.24. Okay?
Oh, 5.24 meters.
Yeah, just put your point and call the remaining figures. Is that clear?
Fine.
Now, let's continue. Let's do some more under that. What about 610 centimeters?
6.1.
What about 728 centimeters?
7.28 meters.
7.28 meters. What about 850 centimeters?
10.5 centimeters.
8.5 centimeters. Okay. What about 1,000 centimeters?
Don't know.
Wait, before we jump to 1,000, let us talk about 890 centimeters.
8.9 centimeters.
8.9 centimeters. Okay. What about 900 centimeters?
9 meters.
9 meters. Good. What about 990 centimeters?
9.9 centimeters.
9.9 meters. What about 998 centimeters? 998 centimeters?
9.98 meters.
9.98 meters. So what about 1,000 centimeters? You can see you've reached 9. After 9 is what? When you're counting your
10.
numbers, 10. 10
10
meters.
meters.
10 meters. Is that clear?
Fine.
And so if 100 centimeters give you 1 meters, 200 will give you 2 meters, 500 will give you 5 meters, 900 will give you 9 meters, and 1,000 will give you 10 meters. Okay?
Fine.
What about 9,800 centimeters? Remember this. When you have this, you pick 10, you pick the first 2 digits, right?
90 meters.
Wait, 9,800.
98
90
meters.
Yes, 98 meters. Is that clear now?
Fine.
Okay. And there is another conversion, still on distance. We can say 1,000 meters equal to 1 kilometers. This is a very big unit, okay?
Fine.
Now, your arm's length is around maybe 70 centimeters or 50 no, maybe 70 centimeters, okay?
Fine.
From your sitting room to your bedroom will be around maybe 300 centimeters or 400 centimeters, okay?
Fine.
Now you can see, but from your house to the bus stop, where you can take a cab, okay?
Fine.
That will be around maybe 20 meters, or depending on the area, it could be around 500 meters, okay? Is that clear? And do you know
Right.
that 500 is half of 1,000, right?
Yeah. Fine.
So that means 500 meters will be half of 1 kilometer, okay?
Fine.
Which is 0.5 kilometers. Is that clear?
Fine.
Now, if 1,000 meters equal to 1 kilometers, then 5,000 meters will be what? will be how many kilometers? $5,000 meters will be how many kilometers?
5 kilometers.
Good. 5 kilometers. 8,500 meters will be how many kilometers?
8.5 kilometers.
Good. 8.5 kilometers. Now, you can see that you do away with the 3 digits and you put a point. Is that clear?
It's fine.
Then you do away with the 3 and you put the first digit. Is that clear?
Fine.
You also do away with this and put the first digit. You also do away with this and put the first digit and the point. Is that clear?
Fine.
So what about 200,000 meters? How many kilometers?
Whoa, that's so big.
Yeah,
I don't know.
you can do it. Think again. I just showed you what you need to do. When you put away the first 3, you write the remaining. So what should I write now? Look at what I did here. I put away this and I write only this. So put away the first 3 digits and tell me the remaining. If you put away this, what remains?
200.
200 kilometers. Okay.
Fine.
So what about 415,346 meters? How many kilometers is this? Mm-hmm.
450 kilometers.
415, right?
Yep.
Then you put a point, okay?
Fine.
346. Is that clear?
Fine.
So today we've been able to learn about conversion from centimeters to millimeters to centimeters, and centimeters to meters, and meters to kilometers. Is that clear now?
Fine.
Let me give you a question to try. Okay?
Fine.
Classwork. Change from millimeters to centimeters. Question 1. 28 millimeters. Question 2. 40 millimeters. Those are the 2 questions there. Then the next aspect, that's A. Are you there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Fine.
Keep doing your work. You will soon tell me your answer. You can start doing it. You can write it down. Change from centimeters to meters. So here, the first one, I have 300 centimeters. That will give you how many meters? Then number 2, 450 centimeters. That'll be how many meters? Then the last part, which is number 3. Change from meter to kilometers. You can start doing your work. I'll soon ask you for your answers, okay?
Fine.
So number 1, I have 5,000 meters. Is how many kilometers? And the second one, which is the last question there. 100,000 meters is how many kilometers? So over to you now. Once you're through, you tell me your answers, okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you through?
Did you say, am I true?
Yes, have you finished?
Not yet. Where am I gonna write it? Or I'm just gonna answer it?
No, just write it somewhere. Get a pen, get a book, and write it, okay?
Fine. But I need to go toilet.
All right, all right.
Hey,
What did you say?
I just get toilet.
Okay, okay,
Just get from toilet.
okay. All right. So do your work and tell me your answers, okay?
Fine. I had just answered one.
Okay, so which one have you answered? Let me allow you to take it as homework, okay?
Fine.
So you will do it against the next class. I want you to really get everything by yourself, okay?
Fine.
I'm going to write homework.
So it's a homework. Did you hear it?
So
Yeah,
you
fine.
make sure you do it before our next class on Monday.
Fine.
So I'm going to send this to your WhatsApp right now, and that is where we'll be rounding up today. Today, we have learned about things we measure and the unit of measurement. And the first one we are talking about here is distance or height or length. And the units that we have mentioned are meters, millimeters, centimeters, and kilometers. And so, Miggy,
Yeah, fine.
okay, that's what we'll be rounding up for today, okay?
Fine.
Yeah, make sure you do your assignment, all right?
Fine.
All right, so goodbye.
Bye. Fine.